Hey everyone, today I want to talk about Busey Credit Card Login, and as you see I'm on busey.com and this is the main page of the busey.com. As you see there is a login window here, but it is a bit different from other login pages because if you look at the choose your login button here, you will see the different login options here, and they are Busey e-bank, Busey credit cards, Busey mortgage application, Busey access, and a lockbox, and also investment services and treasury management, wealth management web link, wealth management black diamond. Yes, as you see, there are different login options here, but I wanna talk about basic credit cards and basic credit cards logins. So I wanna click the basic credit cards option, and then login button will open here, and I need to click the login button and then proceed button. So a different link will open. It is my account access.com, and it is also prepared by Busey Bank. And if you have already a credit card or an account, you need to type your personal ID here. But if you don't have a basic credit card, you need to visit another website, and it is creditcardlearnmore.com. And as you see, I changed the window here, and here is you can apply for Busey Bank credit card, and you can have $150 bonus for application, and you can earn up to 4 times points with this credit card. And you can also choose personal or business credit cards. Also, you can apply for different Busey Bank types, for example, a platinum card and max cash preferred card. I think there is one more, and travel rewards plus card. So if you want whichever type, you need to apply this. Yes, here, and there are different application buttons here, so you need to click whatever you want. Thank you for watching.